You graduate from university, open LinkedIn, and your eyes go like this. 3 years of experience for a junior developer. And there are already 100 applications for that job, so even if you somehow had that experience, you still wouldn't get it. You realize you're cooked. But the question is, why? Why does no one want to hire junior developers? You'd say AI is the reason? ChatGPT is taking our job, son of a bitch. But that's not really true. Everyone nowadays wants to be a software developer because people think you can work from home, earn higher than average salaries and do nothing. At least that's what they imagine a developer does. So more and more people get into programming, more young people finish university, and all of them try to land their first job, so the competition keeps growing. And if 5 years ago you only had to know a programming language, some OOP, and companies would throw money at you, now you have to know 20 programming languages, 9 backend frameworks, 18 frontend frameworks, and be able to solve the hardest LeetCode problems with the best time. So it's not AI that's the problem, it's the market and the insane amount of competition. Companies still hire juniors and still run internships. Even the company I work for organized one a couple of months ago, so clearly companies need juniors, just not nearly as many as the amount of people trying to get into tech. COVID also made things worse because everyone got stuck at home and suddenly had time to learn new stuff. So a lot of people switched careers and jumped into programming. And since being a developer doesn't require going to the office, it became even more attractive. Another problem is that companies are greedy and love paying less while getting more, and AI helps them do exactly that. Back before AI, companies hired senior developers for architecture, middle developers for the heavy lifting, and junior developers so they could learn and grow. Now, there's less need for that structure because AI can help with both backend and frontend. Companies don't care if your frontend is mid, as long as they can hire one backend developer and let AI generate the basic UI. They save tens of thousands a year by not hiring extra people. So developers today have to know about backend, frontend, testing, security, CI and CD, Kubernetes, system administration, every single damn thing because companies don't want to spend money on more developers when they can overload the ones they already have. In that context, there's literally no need for a junior developer when they can hire a middle one and just pay for a Copilot license. The real problem will come later, when all the senior and middle developers get old and there's no one to replace them because nobody wants to hire juniors today. So let me know your opinion in the comments and don't give up, Skeleton.